Hello students, good morning. Yesterday I have given you homework to read the lesson English. Lesson number 3, How the Sun Was Rescued. This is a small story. You all must have read the story. Today I will explain you. See here, first we will do some warm-up activity. The Arctic is an area located at the northernmost part of the earth. It is a very cold region. You all must be knowing Arctic region and Antarctic region. These are the two poles of our earth. Northern part is known as the Arctic. ARCTIC, Arctic. So, find out which animals can be found in the Arctic region. Do you know which animals are found in Arctic region? Arctic region is the very cold place. Most of all time it is covered with snow. So which animals survive in cold regions? Polar bear, yak, etc. We will start the lesson. Once upon a time, some evil spirits stole the sun from the sky. All the animals decided to call a grand meeting to get back the sun. The wise old raven said, "My friends, how much longer must we live in darkness? I have heard that close to our land, in a great cavern, live the evil spirits who have stolen the sun. They kept it in a white stone pot. We must get back the sun. I advise you to send the biggest and strongest among us, the big polar bear, to fetch the sun." Now, see here, once upon a time, some evil spirits. There were some evil spirits around the earth. So, what did they do? They stole the sun from the sky. This is just a myth. This is a story. We could not steal the sun, but this is just a story. And in the story, what it says? Some evil spirits. Evil spirits, these are the bad spirits. They stole sun from the sky. All the animals decided to call a grand meeting. So, after seeing that sun is being stolen, all the animals on the ground in the jungle, what they decided? They decided to call a meeting to get back the sun. Why? Because if the sun is not there, we can't live without sunlight. The wise old raven. Raven is the big crow. It is a very black color and somewhat big. It is not like the other similar crows, but it is a big crow. He said, "My friends, how much longer must we live in darkness?" He was saying that how long we will stay like this in the night, in the dark. We should find out the sun. And what he said, "I have heard that close to our land, in a great cavern." Cavern is the cave. It is a cave. Live the evil spirits. Evil spirits have stolen our sun and they have kept in a white pot, white stone pot. So, if we want our sun back, we want a sunlight, then what we should do? We should get back our sun. But who will go? Biggest and strongest among us. So, what they decided? They decided to send polar bear. The bear, cried all the animals. So, all animals shouted that the bear, they were happy that bear will go. "Oh, no, 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 no," cried the owl. But what did the owl say? "Oh, no, no, don't send polar bear." Why? As soon as he finds a bit of food, he will forget all about his job. What is owl said? He said, as soon as the bear get his food, he will forget about the job. He will not bring back the sun. He will forget about bringing the sun. So with that they all had to agree. So they all agreed on this. The raven spoke again. Then let's send the wolf. After the bear, he is the strongest and he is much faster. So when they agreed that bear should not be sent, then raven again said, let's send the wolf. First they decided to send bear. Afterwards wolf. Why wolf? Because after bear, he is the strongest and faster. Fiddlestick, snapped the owl. That wolf is greedy and will stop at the first deer he sees and gobble it up. He will forget all about rescuing the sun. Fiddlesticks means nonsense. It is the other word for nonsense. Snapped the owl. Snapped means he said it in somewhat in angry way. That wolf is greedy. How the wolf are? Wolf are very greedy. And as soon as he sees the deer, he will eat it up. Gobble it up means eat quickly. He will forget all about rescuing the sun. So, he will forget about saving the sun. Rescue means save. So, he will forget about our mission to save the sun. Hearing the owl's words, the animals had to agree. Again, animals had to agree that wolf should not be sent. Just then, the tiny mouse raised her squeaky voice. We should send the hare. He is the best runner among us. He will fetch the sun back for us. So, after agreeing that bear and wolf should not be sent, then a tiny little mouse raised her squeaky voice. Squeaky means loudly voice. We should send the hare. Hare, rabbit. It is a big rabbit. He is the best runner. Why? Because hare is the best runner and he will fetch the sun back for us. So they all decided to send the hare. Once more the birds and beasts cried out, the hare, the hare, the hare. All decided that hare should be sent. You please revise up to here.